will start with 5th chapter of history, and we talked about the pastoralist in the modern world. In the previous lecture, we will discuss the movement of Dhangar community of Maharashtra. Now, in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, the central plateau is filled with stone and grasses. This was a home for a cattle of goat and sheep herders known as Golas, Kurumas and Kurubas. They used to move in the blanket and they used to make their animal to graze during the dry seasons. When the rainy season comes, they used to change, or dry season comes, they used to change. When there are monsoons, they don't move from this place to another place. When there are summer season, they move to the coastal lands where they can find the pasture for their herders. Their animal, and when the cattle finding the rainy season or monsoon steps in the move to the dry region. Why is it necessary to move here and there? Because they have to judge whether the cattle is to able to survive or not. They only their buffalo are stay in swampy and marshy land and the wet climatic conditions, whereas the other cattle they move as the dry land. In this dry land, goat, sheep, everything has to be moved up, and so the nomads are has to move compulsorily from the wet region towards the dry region, and in the dry time they used to go to the coastal areas. They are find here lushy green agricultural fields which provide flocks for their cattle. So, in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh mainly consist of cattle, goat, sheep herders. Golas were cattle herder, whereas Kurumas, Kurubas were goat, sheep herders. Such pastoral nomads lived near forests, cultivated small land and took care of their herds. Their seasonal movement was the alternation of monsoon and dry season. Now, the Banjaras are also found in UP, Punjab, Rajasthan, MP and Maharashtra. These Banjaras also used to search for good pasture lands for their cattle. They used to travel for long distance to find out. In this process of their journey, they used to sell the flock and cattle to the farmer in exchange to get grain and fodder for them. So, Banjaras also used to travel from very long distances, whereas they actually are coming from different states like UP, Punjab, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and MP. So, the entire northwestern India we have the Banjaras spread out. So, Banjaras live, their main objectives was to find good pasture lands for their cattle. While moving long distance, they even used to sell their cattle in exchange of food and fodder. Now, we are moving on the Rajasthan. Whenever we talked about Rajasthan, we remember a dry land. Yes, the Rajasthan where we have the location of the Thar desert. The influence of the Thar desert can be seen on life of the nomads. We have the nomadic travel group known as Raikas staying here. The climatic condition is very uncertain when it comes to rainfall, where we find very large stretches of land with no cultivation going on, no rainfall, very uncertain fluctuation in the crops, and harvesting does not happen in many years. These all are the common phenomena of the Rajasthan drylands. Their Raika group stay here. These Raika also stay in their places in monsoon because there is some possibilities of getting rains there, and so they can hear some pasture for their cattle. So, in the district of Barmer, Jaisalmer, Jodhpur and Bikaner, they stay during the monsoon here only, and after the monsoon finishes they move out and find some fresh pasture land for their. They go on continuously moving, and as soon as they come to get the monsoon on set in this region of Jodhpur, Jaisalmer and Bikaner, they again move back and return to their home places. There is a special group in Raikas is known as Maru, which herds the camels. The other groups herds the goats and sheep. So what is the actual beauty of the nomads people? Nomads should have a very calculating techniques. They have to judge whether the climatic condition is suitable for them or not, and they have to see whether the posture is available, will it be sufficient or not, and they should judge the time of the movement. All these things, there is tactic which needs to be play. In one line, he is nothing but combine in the activity of cultivation, trade and herding in order to all living properly. They had to set up a relationship with the farmers on the way. So now, thank you.